Home Remedies presents
Old Doctors. We mix honey and pumpkin seeds to fix 7 men's problems after 60. Robert, 72, from Texas, couldn't sleep through the night for 5 years. He got up to pee 6 times every single night. His wife moved to the guest bedroom because his constant trips to the bathroom kept her awake. Then his neighbor, a retired urologist, shared a simple mixture. Within 1 week, Robert slept through the entire night for the first time in years. This isn't just about better sleep. It's about reclaiming your manhood after 60. The combination of raw honey and pumpkin seeds does something remarkable that most doctors don't understand. But taking it the wrong way ruins the effect. So pay attention to the timing and method. This ancient mixture works on 9 specific problems that plague men over 60. Let's walk through them. Problem 1: prostate enlargement and nighttime urination. Robert's prostate was squeezing his urethra like a vice grip. Every night, that pressure woke him up with the urgent need to pee. But only a few drops came out. Pumpkin seeds contain plant sterols that help shrink prostate tissue. Zinc in pumpkin seed supports normal prostate function, and many men over 60 run low on zinc. Poor sleep leads to worse prostate symptoms, which leads to even worse sleep. It's a downward spiral. How to use it: mix 2 tablespoons of raw ground pumpkin seeds with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Take it twice daily, once in the morning on an empty stomach, and once 2 hours before bed. Use raw, unroasted seeds and raw, unheated honey. Grind seeds fresh each time. Robert noticed improvement within 3 nights. By day 7, he slept through the night. Problem 2: weak stream and incomplete emptying. You stand there forever, waiting. When it starts, it's a weak dribble. You zip up, but feel like your bladder isn't empty. You go back and try again. Pumpkin seeds ease prostate pressure and support the muscles that push urine out. How to use it: same mixture and dosage. When you urinate, sit down. Lean forward slightly at a 15 degrees angle. After you think you're done, wait 10 seconds, press on your lower abdomen, and try again. Improvement happens in stages: stronger stream in week 1, no return trips in week 2, full emptying by week 3. Problem 3: post-void dribbling. You finish urinating, shake everything off, put it away, and then drops leak out, staining your underwear. The urethra has a natural curve where urine gets trapped. Younger muscles squeeze it out. Older muscles don't. How to use it: same mixture twice daily. After urinating, place 2 fingers behind your scrotum and press upward and forward, like squeezing toothpaste. Do this 3 times, then shake. Also, while urinating, stop the stream for 2 seconds, then start again. Do this 3 times per bathroom visit. These muscles respond quickly, usually within 2 weeks. Problem 4: weak erections and poor blood flow. Things don't work like they used to. The real issue is blood flow and nitric oxide production. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with arginine, which your body converts to nitric oxide. Honey provides energy and improves circulation. How to use it: same mixture, but add a pinch of cinnamon. Take it consistently for 2 weeks. This breaks the cycle of physical failure and anxiety. Blood vessels heal gradually, but the improvement is lasting. Problem 5: low testosterone and lost muscle. After 60, testosterone drops. You lose muscle, gain belly fat, feel tired, and lose interest in life. Your body still knows how to make testosterone, it just lacks the raw materials. Pumpkin seeds provide zinc, magnesium, healthy fats, and vitamin E. Magnesium affects over 300 processes, including testosterone production. How to use it: add the standard mixture to a protein shake after exercise. Even light exercise like walking amplifies the effect. Within 3 weeks, you'll notice more energy, better mood, and increased interest in intimacy. Problem 6. Urinary urgency and bladder control. Sudden overwhelming urges to pee destroy confidence. You plan your life around bathrooms. Your bladder muscles become overactive, sending false alarms. Pumpkin seed oil calms spasms. Honey helps regulate nerve signals between bladder and brain. How to use it: mix 3 tablespoons of ground pumpkin seeds with 1 tablespoon of honey. Take it 3 times daily for the first week, then twice daily for maintenance. When you feel the urge, wait 5 minutes before going. Gradually increase the wait time. Most men regain confidence within 3 weeks. Problem 7. Chronic pelvic pain and sitting discomfort. Years of straining and stress create tight muscles and inflamed tissues. Pain meds don't help, they don't address the root cause. Pumpkin seeds contain anti-inflammatory compounds that target pelvic tissue. How to use it: take the standard mixture twice daily. Also, massage pure pumpkin seed oil into your lower abdomen and the area between your scrotum and anus before bed. Relief often begins within 1 week. Many men report full recovery within a month. Bonus: frequent infections and lost vitality. UTIs become common after 60. Incomplete emptying leaves stagnant urine. Your prostate creates pockets where bacteria hide. Pumpkin seeds contain antimicrobial compounds. Honey kills harmful bacteria and supports beneficial ones. How to use it: same mixture twice daily, or 3 times during infection-prone periods. After urinating, wait 30 seconds and try again. Drink water throughout the day. Urinate after intimacy. Most men who follow this protocol stop getting infections completely. This mixture works, but only if you're consistent. Take it every day. Track your progress. Most men see improvement by week 2. Dramatic changes by week 4. And feel like new men by week 8. Your body wants to heal. Give it the right materials and the time it needs. If you found this helpful, share it with other men who need to hear this. And subscribe for more natural solutions that work.